of rice. So any rice you see on the street that is not produced in Nigeria is smuggled. Imported rice is poisonous. One is that there's no rice, imported rice that comes into this country that has not spent minimum of 5 years in the silos. Two is that a chemical must have been added to it to sustain its own freshness, and that chemical is harmful. Thirdly, when you see the bag that has been rebagged and then a new date is given, is false. It's false. They do that in Benin Republic, they do that on high sea. They change the bag and then give it a new date. And that's what we consume here. And when you end up with colon cancer, you begin to wonder, how does it happen? These are the causes of your disease. So may I appeal to Nigerians to please patronize our own indigenous rice. It's available, it's more nutritious, and if you do that, you assist customs by making sure that these people are put out of business. Thank you.